Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M04 and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration features available on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access sounds and vibration. Following that, click on Vibrate right away to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. You can also click on Sound next to Vibrate and tap on this sweater next to Vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down, click on Call Vibration and set up the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls. You can also tap on Silent instead. Following that, tap on the back button, click on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same for your notifications. Then tap on System Vibration and tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to switch off or on haptic feedback for them. You can also adjust intensity of them by swiping left or right on this slider. Lastly, go back, tap on Vibration Intensity and swipe left or right on System slider to manage haptic feedback for system features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!